Hello, everybody. At this time, we are talking about product decisions. Product decisions are the choices that product teams make about what to build, informed by their discovery work. Discovery is fundamentally a decision making process where teams use customers' input, research activities, and data from multiple sources to make informed choices. And then, how to set priorities when making product decisions. There are some factors to consider, including quality, cost, and speed. If we want to maintain a certain level of quality while keeping the cost within the budget and launching the product quickly to stay ahead of our competitors, we need to strike a delicate balance. One of the most essential aspects of product management is ensuring that the product meets the minimum quality standard. We believe quality is a non negotiable factor, and we strive to maintain it in all our products. However, there are times when we may need to prioritize cost and speed over quality. For example, if we're working on a project with a tight budget and a short timeline, we may need to reduce production costs and speed up the launch. In such a scenario, we still need to ensure that the product meets the minimum quality standards. And then, how to set product goals. Our goal is to create a product that meets the customer's needs while also being cost effective and delivered quickly. To achieve this, we take a data driven approach, leveraging customers' feedback, market research, and other key metrics to inform our decisions. We understand the importance of balancing quality, cost, and speed. We believe that quality is essential, but we also recognize that sometimes we need to prioritize cost and speed to stay ahead of our competitors. By taking a data driven approach and evaluating trade offs, we can make informed decisions that result in a successful product launch. And then we move to the sixth step, decision making cycle. The first step, identifying the problem or opportunity. Every decision begins with realizing there's something to address. Vague or misdiagnosed problems lead to poor decisions. And then the second, gather relevant information. Collect qualitative and quantitative inputs to fully understand the context. This includes product usage data, customers' feedback, market trends, and benchmark and cross-functional insights from design, engineering, and marketing. The goal is to eliminate blind spots before jumping to solutions. And then third, list and evaluate alternatives. Good decision making requires options. Consider all viable paths, do nothing, tweak existing solutions, and build something new. Evaluate each option using frameworks like SWOT or strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, or by rise or reach, impact, confidence, and evil. And then the fourth steps, choose the best alternative. Select the option that best aligns with user needs, team capacity, and strategic goals. Avoid over-analysis, use judgment based on available evidence. And then fifth, implement the decision. A decision without execution is just a thought. Translate it into action. Assign honors, create a timeline, define success metrics, and tracks progress. Execution brings your decision to life and sets the stage for learning. And then six, review and iterate. After execution, evaluate the results, what worked useful, and then what failed and why, and what should we do differently next time. Reflection turns decision making into a long-term asset, not just a one-time act. And then we move to types of product decisions. Product decisions encompasses several key areas, including the first about product design decisions. These pertain to the design aspects of the product. Effective design that meets customers' needs and is easy to use can provide a competitive edge in the market. And then second, production decisions. These involve choices related to the manufacturing process, such as the type of technology to be used, the quality of the product, and the method of production like batch production or continuous flow. And then third, product line decisions. These refer to decisions about adding or removing products from existing product lines. Key areas include product line length, product line stretching, product line modernizations, and product line featuring. And then fourth, product mix decisions. The product mix or product assortment is the complete set of products offered by a company. According to the American Marketing Association, a product mix is the composite of products offered for sale by a firm or business units. And then how do product teams make good product decisions? Product teams make decisions every day. To make good product decisions, you need to have a current understanding of your customers' goals, needs, and context. These factors are fluid. The longer you go without talking to a customers, the more likely your understanding of these factors will be out of date. The goal is to do smaller research activities every single week by the team building the product, so that at any point in time when you need to make a product decisions, you can stop and take stock and have multiple data points from multiple research activities that vary week and say based on what you know right now, what's the best decisions you can make. And then we move to key elements of product decisions. The first element, product design and features. Design is not just about aesthetics. It impacts functionality, usability, and customer's experience. And then second, product quality. Quality defines how well a product performs compared to expectations. High quality products often lead to brand loyalty and reduce returns or complaints. And then third, branding decisions. Branding gives identity to a product. Strong branding differentiates a product in a crowded market. And then fourth, packaging and labeling. Packaging is more than just a container. Attractive packaging can significantly influence impulse buying behavior. And fifth, product support and services. This includes decisions about warranties, guarantees, customer support, and return policies. I think it is enough. Thanks for watching.